Setting up Gamestop gift card on Gamestop app. In this video, you are going to learn how to put Gamestop gift card on the Gamestop app. So let's get started and follow the instruction in this video. First, download and install the Gamestop app. On your mobile device, you can download it from the App Store if you're using iPhone or Google Play Store for Android version. Now, creators sign in to your Gamestop account. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. Navigate to the My Wallet or similar section. And now, the next step is add or manage a gift card. Within your account section, there should be an option to add or manage gift card. Choose this option. Then enter the gift card information. This typically includes the gift card number and PIN. You can find this information on the physical card or in the email if it is an e-gift card. Verify and confirm. Review the entered information to ensure accuracy. Once verified, confirm the addition of the gift card to your Gamestop account. Then check card balance. After adding the gift card, you may want to check the card balance to ensure it reflects the correct amount. That's all. That's how you will be able to put Gamestop gift card on the Gamestop app.